Looking for a smarter way to organize your tasks and stay productive? Then you need to check out Sunsama. This all-in-one productivity planner helps you structure your day, manage your workload, and stay focused without the chaos of juggling multiple apps. Whether you're a freelancer, a busy professional, or just someone trying to manage their time better, Sunsama gives you the tools to plan with intention and reduce stress. Let's take a closer look as to why Sunsama is the best productivity app. But before all that, take a second to check out the link below or scan the QR code on your screen. Sunsama could be the game changer you've been looking for, so don't miss out. So Sunsama is an all-in-one productivity planner that brings together your tasks, calendar, and workflow into a single structured view, helping you stay in control without the overwhelm. Sunsama integrates all your tasks, meetings, and deadlines into one central dashboard. Whether you're planning your day or organizing a week-long project, everything is laid out in a clear, structured format. Unlike traditional to-do lists, Sunsama helps you estimate the time needed for each task, ensuring you don't overload your schedule. Moreover, Sunsama makes time blocking effortless. Drag and drop tasks into your calendar to allocate time for deep work, meetings, and personal activities, all while keeping a balanced workload. Focus mode removes distractions by allowing you to work in a clutter-free view with an integrated Pomodoro timer to help you stay on track. Now, question for you. Are you tired of switching between different tools? Sunsama can help with that. It integrates with Gmail, Outlook, Asana, Slack, Notion, ClickUp, Trello, and more, syncing tasks automatically so you never miss an important deadline or get tasks lost in the chaos. Emails, Slack messages, and project updates can be turned into actionable tasks with just a click, so everything stays organized. Each day, Sunsama helps you review your priorities and set realistic goals, so you know exactly what needs to get done. And at the end of the week, Sunsama's weekly review allows you to reflect on completed tasks, identify productivity trends, and adjust your workflow for better efficiency moving forward. When talking about design, Sunsama is designed to be simple yet powerful. Its intuitive interface helps reduce cognitive overload, making planning and organization feel effortless. Unlike bulky project management tools, Sunsama stays sleek and easy to navigate, helping you focus on what matters most. And finally, Sunsama encourages healthy work habits by guiding you through intentional planning. It helps you allocate time for breaks, personal development, and even exercise so you don't burn out. You can also set work hour limits to prevent overbooking, ensuring a sustainable, stress-free workflow. So, Sunsama isn't just another planner. It's a major hub for productivity, focus, and work-life balance. But don't just take my word for it. Try Sunsama today. Click the link below or scan the QR code on your screen and see how effortless productivity can be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.